Hello everyone. How are you today? I guess you all will be fine. Today we will be talking about Oracle database. Let's start with a very obvious question. But first, let me explain you, what is database? Do you have any idea? A database is an organized collection of structured information, or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. Now, let's come to our topic. So, what is Oracle database? Oracle Database is a multi-model database management system produced and marketed by Oracle Corporation. It is a database commonly used for running online transaction processing, data warehousing and mixed database workloads. Introduction of Oracle Database. In 1979, RSI introduced Oracle version 2, as the first commercially available SQL-based RDBMS, a landmark event in the history of relational databases. And Oracle version 3, released in 1983, was the first relational database to run on mainframes, mini-computers, and PCs. Now the question arrives here is, what is the purpose and use of Oracle database? Well, an Oracle database is a collection of data, treated as a unit. The purpose of a database is to store and retrieve related information. A database server is the key to solving the problems of information management. Let's have a look at its tremendous advantages. Reduces operations costs. Uses a single database for all data types. Provides a secure hybrid cloud environment. Offers better identity management and user controls. Executes quick backup and recovery. Offers multiple database support. Provides superior scalability. Includes flashback technology. Here are some examples of companies who use it. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Let's catch up in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share. And also, see the links given for keep you up to date.